Hello everyone! Today we're talking about how to install a 12-volt USB outlet. First, make or find a 1 1/8 inch hole. You can use a 1 1/8 inch drill bit to make a hole, or you can replace an unused car cigarette lighter or motorcycle Dinhella socket since they are standard size. Please note that if there are FM radios or other devices nearby, keep a little distance from them to reduce electronic interference, at least 12 inches. Second, push the 12-volt USB outlet into the dash and screw the ring tightly. Use the square plastic panel if necessary to make it look nicer. Third, wire the spade connector to the DC power with an inline fuse. The fuse should be a 10-ampere fuse. It needs 12-volt or 24-volt DC power but can work between 11 volts and 30 volts. By the way, the 12-volt USB outlet defaults to on. You can choose the vehicle's ACC or motorcycle's key switch as the power positive pole so that when you start the engine, the USB charger turns on automatically. Fourth, mount the dash back and you're done. One question: we know that when we need to diagnose the battery's voltage, we should not charge it at the same time. Does anyone know why? Let's talk about it next time.